I've changed my mind. I've decided to go to Dilasag. It's only like 30 minutes away. I had something to eat with Casiguran and I'm all refreshed. So I'll go to Dilasag and then make my way back to Baler. So I should be back to Baler maybe the latest 5 o'clock, which fills in the whole day. Anyway, let's continue this journey. I'm gonna go visit some beach. I forgot what it's called now. Anyway, I'll show you guys later. Yeah, so I just had a carinderia. I had what's it? Beans with mung. I had mung beans, like a soup, and then I had beans itself, and then rice. In total, that only cost 80 pesos. Just like $2.20, something like that in Australian dollars. Pretty cheap lunch, and it's enough for me. I didn't pig out this time because if I do, I'll just get too tired, and yeah, might as well just something in my stomach to get me back to Baler. I am on the lookout for some pineapple juice on the side of the road, but I haven't seen any. That's what it is. Casiguran Beach. Camping site. Oh, you can camp there. Nice. Oh yeah, I like the fire. I like the feel of it already. Look at this. Oh. Nonato Beach Resort. That's a good one. Look at that. Look at that entrance. Nice. I was about to say magnificent, but I held myself back. I was about to say it. Original beach. Alright, let's go over here. Let's check it out. Hey, bom dia. Oh. Hello, doggy. Look at you. Nah. Yeah, not allowed in there. Oh well. Alright, so I paid 50 peso entrance fee. Yeah, this looks nice here. Check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Oh yeah. Oh wow, look at that. Look over here. Oh. Bing bada boom. My, how sweet it is. Whew. Okay, here we go. Hopefully that music doesn't, get in the way. Try to keep talking so you can't hear it too much loud. Alright, let's check it out. How cool is this? Oh, is that cool? Wow. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. White sand beach. Cool. Couple of kids out there swimming, running around. Look at that. Crystal blue. Nice and clear. White sand. What more do you want? Okay. Maybe pina colada? That'll probably do it. Alright. I think it's time to fly my drone. Check it out. Oh, turn off the light in my car, on my bike. There's a couple of people out here, staying here, camping here. Yeah, cool. Here we go. I'll show you. Yeah. I forgot what this place is called. I think I said it in the entrance. But anyway. Bit of grass area over there. Yeah, a couple of huts over there. Yeah, right. Shade, bit of hammock. Right. I love it. Man, it's a good place to have an afternoon siesta. I might actually do that. this is the Casiguran beach. Anyway, I said it at the beginning. Look, we go to the end here. See these huts? Aurora. Whoa. Not really for bikes. Cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a nice area. Little huts. People huts. Yeah, nice. I like it. That noise is annoying, isn't it? Fix this. Like that. Okay. Nah, still down. Beautiful. Like it. Thank you. I think the sign said the original. Anyway, I'll go up to it and I'll show you so you guys know where to go. And then you guys can look it up on the internet and see what the rates are. The original Casiguran beach. There you go. Alright. Let's continue. Alright, check this out. This is a nice little area here. On the way to Dilasag from Casiguran beach. Yeah. Nice. Nothing like a bit of paradise. Beautiful. Next to the beach. Camping ground. There's a lot of camping grounds. Campsite. Rowie's Beach Resort and Campsite. Yeah, this is really nice. Wow. Yeah. This is a really nice area. go. There we go. Bingo. Yes. Look at that water. Oh my gosh. Look at that over there. Oh, stunning. Stunning coastline. White sand beaches. Can't go wrong. Wow. Alright. Keep going. I'm a fan already. Man, look at that. Beautiful. Gosh. Ay, ay, ay. This trip is definitely worth it. And look at that again. All these palm trees. Oh, it feels like this area is fairly undiscovered. Well, you know, obviously, you know, people know about it, but there's a lot of areas where you can have access to the beach, whereas normally in the rest of the Philippines, it's usually just like a private resort has access to the beach. You have to go through the resort to access the beach. There are a few resorts here, I have noticed. And there's some nice ones too, like really nice ones. This is a nice view. No traffic. I don't see any other people except for this one lady walking with a big umbrella. Oh. You probably heard me say big umbrella. Anyway. Look at that. Look at all those palm trees right next to the ocean. My goodness. This is paradise. I do like this road. Again, another favourite. I've got too many favourites all of a sudden. But when they're this stunning, they keep being added to the list. Oh, look at that, look at that. Yes! Wow, that water looks so delicious. So inviting. I look, it just gets better and better. Look at that. There's no one here. You've got it all to yourself. Oh gosh. I see no rubbish, no pollution, clean fresh air, sunny skies of course today. Does help. Alright. Love it. Very tempted to have a siesta there, but I won't because I'm too excited. So excited about this road, this area. This is paradise. I keep saying it, but yeah, it is. Wow. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. I have to go back to that. I have to go back to that one. Look at that big clam. Look at that clam. Oh my. Oh, Mr. Clam. But look at that behind it. Look at that. How beautiful is that? That is beautiful. Everywhere I turn is beautiful. I mean, look at that sitting there. Sitting there. Imagine that. The beautiful water there. Ah. Why, Delilah? Probably not the right song for the moment, but you know, I don't know why it came to my head. This is paradise. A beach resort. Sounds nice. Bonita. Ooh. place has that sleepy town feel. It's great. Yeah, where do I go from here? I reckon go towards the beach maybe. Check out what is there in here. Boats. There's a lot of fishermen here. Not a bad place to chill and or chillax. Beautiful. Decided to go to Parang Hill, I think it is. My Aussie mate, Stu. He'd been up there. He sounded like he enjoyed his time up there, so I'm gonna check it out myself. I don't know if the way I'm going is the easiest path, but hopefully I'll get there. Right, go this way. I really feel like I am taking the back roads here though. What the hell I'm going actually? I do feel like I'm definitely going the wrong way. Hello. Is Parang Hills doon?
Oh?
Parang Hill? Parang Hill? Doon? Parang Hill? Hindi? Oh, that's okay. Doon to? Oo. Okay, salamat. Hello. Hello. Parang Hill doon? Oh, salamat. Well, I reckon I'm going the right way. I take on the advice of the hot chicks. They just came out of the jungle. That's pretty normal, isn't it? Google Maps saying I'm going the wrong way, but those people reckon I'm going the right way. JB's Beach Resort. That's good. Okay. I really feel like I'm going. Oh well, if I'm going the wrong way then I can always turn around and start again. Heading into the jungle. Alright, I like this vibe. I like this vibe. Okay. Doesn't feel like Parang Hill, but I feel like it's just another area to... Oh no, hang on. Where does it go this way? Maybe. This is definitely not the normal path. At the gate. Definitely feel like I'm trespassing on someone's property here. And that is the end of the road. Okay, looks like I'll have to go back. I'll let you guys know. Alright, I've had to turn around. I am lost. It's a nice place to get lost, I can tell you that. Oh, yeah. Alright. Got my language. Oh, what a nice park. Hindi, Parang Hills. Where? Here? It's Parang Hills?
Yes.
Saan?
Dito po.
And then that way, Kalawa? Kalawa?
Kaliwa.
That way.
Yes.
But it's like a private road. There's like, it's into the forest.
No.
Ah.
Ano tayo?
Okay.
Diretsuhin nyo lang po yun.
Okay. Keep going. Into the bush.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. I'll turn around. I believe you. Thank you. I don't know if I trust these girls. So I feel like I'm just heading into the thing. I think they're leading me in the wrong direction. You go swimming? Going swimming?
It's hot.
Okay, enjoy. Salamat. I still don't know. Those girls are leading me in the right direction. This road does feel like it's not a normal road. Alright, I'll follow those girls' advice. Let's keep following this road. They might be right, but it just really feels slow. Nobody ever goes down this road. But they are the locals, so I guess they would know better than me. Yeah, right. Okay. There is a park. This is a park, I guess. Okay, then this is getting a little treacherous. Oh yeah. It's a bit muddy. Wow. Okay. Give it a crack. Oh, sorry. Oh, Parang Hill? Alright. Oh, shit. Alright, hang on. I need to run up. Salamat. Alright, that guy was doing the shit. Oh my gosh. This is not the bike to be doing it with. Oh my gosh. Whew. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get down. Oh wow, yeah, this is nice. Good thing it's not raining. I can't believe that guy was squatting. Anyway, it is the Philippines. I mean, he was kind enough to go, yeah, you can go ahead. I was happy to wait, but he's like waving me through. He waved me through. He's like, yeah, it's okay. I was like, okay. Interesting. The people are friendly in Philippines, that's for sure. No matter what the circumstances are. What a top bloke. Oh yeah. Oh, it's someone else. He's in a motorbike. Perfect. Huge. Oh gosh. Yeah, keep going. Go over there. Beautiful, right? Great lookout. We'll go to the next point. Got a couple of lovebirds over here. I want to throw in there. Another moment. I'm not that type of guy. I'm not an asshole. Alright. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to the next one. Oh yeah, this is nice. Those girls weren't lying. I was really doubting them. They were friendly enough to tell me that I was wrong. That I was going the right way. And that I should have more faith. The green, green grass of home. Again, another Tom Jones song. Very nice here, very nice. Surprised I don't see any cows. Perfect grazing area for them. Okay, which way do I go? Go this way. Get to that only tree on that hill. Oh yes, beautiful. Look at that. I made it. I'm so happy. I love Parang Hills. It's a beautiful place. Oh man, lovely. Can't go wrong here. Wait, maybe if it rains. Lovely. Fish. I was right on the way back. Look at that big fish. Wow, yeah. Say hello to the world. Wow. That is massive. Look at that. What a big fish. Oh my goodness. It's like bigger than a shark. It's like the same. Oh yeah. Was it malayo? You catch from a long way? Yeah? Wow. Oh yeah. That is a big ass. It's a big ass fish. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's massive. Oh, that'll feed the whole tribe. Heaps of people. All right, enjoy. Thank you for telling me about Parang Hills. I found it. Oh, salamat. Another way?
Yeah.
Yeah?
High school up in high school.
Oh, okay. That way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah. I went that way. I went through the forest.
There's no wind.
Yeah.
No wind.
Oh, okay. Yep. That way.
Only that.
All right. Okay. All right. Yep.
You there just ask the person
Yep. Okay.
how to
Parang Hills.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. I will. Thank you.
Okay.
Enjoy that fish.
Thank you.
Ah, fish sinigang tonight.
Yeah. So yummy.
Oh, I like. Gusto ako. Sinigang. Whew, it's hot. What a big fish. Oh my. I think that's a swordfish, but let me know, guys, if you know exactly what that is. Marlin, is it blue marlin or whatever? I don't know if I fish that well. Apart from carp. I'm used to carp. But wow, that is a big fish. I wonder how long it took him to reel that in. That fish would have been dragging the boat. He probably would have got that on a bunker boat. So it would have taken him quite a while. All right, guys. See you guys at Baler.